Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we have a very special story for our beginner English learners. It's a simple story with a big message. Are you ready? Let's begin. Once, there was a little boy named Alex. Alex loved to play in the park every day. The park was big, with many tall trees and colorful flowers. One sunny afternoon, while he was playing near a bench, he saw something on the ground. It was a beautiful red toy car. The car was shiny and new. Alex picked it up. He thought, "Wow, this is a great car. I want to keep it." He put the little car in his pocket and started to walk home. But as he walked, he felt a little sad. He knew the car was not his. He thought about the person who lost it. Maybe a little boy or girl was very sad because their favorite toy was gone. This thought made Alex feel even worse. He stopped walking and looked at the red car again. He knew what he had to do. Alex turned around and ran back to the park as fast as he could. He went back to the same bench where he found the car. Under the bench, a little girl was crying. Her mom was trying to comfort her. Alex walked up to them. He felt a little nervous, but he took a deep breath. He took the red car out of his pocket. "Is this your car?" he asked the little girl. The girl's eyes opened wide. She stopped crying and smiled, a huge smile. "Yes, that's my car. Thank you, thank you," she shouted with joy. She took her car and hugged it tightly. The girl's mom looked at Alex and smiled warmly. "You are a very honest boy," she said. "Thank you for bringing it back." Alex felt so happy inside. It was a much better feeling than when he thought about keeping the car. He learned something very important that day. Giving the car back made him feel proud and good. The little girl was happy, her mom was happy, and Alex was the happiest of all. So, what did we learn from Alex's story? It's simple. Always be honest. Telling the truth and doing the right thing always feels the best in the end. Honesty is a true treasure. Thank you for listening to our story today. I hope you enjoyed it and learned some new words. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more simple English stories. See you next time. Bye-bye.